Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today I want to show you how to clear conversation on Snapchat. Maybe in this situation some reasons you wanna delete conversation and all our messages on Snapchat. Now this is very easy process to delete conversation on Snapchat. Just go ahead on your profile app on Snapchat. Just go on a message option. In this chat box your all messages is here, so just go on your profile icon like this, scroll down and you see this accounts action. Here is many more options. Just click on clear conversation. Now if you want a clear conversation, just tap on click which you want and tap on this cross sign. Here will show you, are you sure you want to clear this conversation, and you just tap on this. Now go your chat box. Ensure that this conversation message is not anymore in here. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will helps you.